the first shape is shown in the figure here, which has three distinct properties. These are side, vertex, and angle. Side, it is the straight line that makes up the boundary of the shape. That means boundary of the shape is called as a side. Then vertex, the point where two sides of shape come together. That is, two sides of the figure comes together is called as a vertex. And angle, the space between the two sides of that meet at a point is called as a triangle. It has first we ask three questions to identify the figure. First is, how many vertices are there to this shape? It has three vertices A, B, C. How many sides are there to this shape? Three sides, A, B, B, C, and AC. How many angles are there to this shape? It has three angles, hence it is called as triangle. How do we know that the given shape is a triangle? If shape has three vertices, three sides, and three angles, then it is called as a triangle. Then next shape has a three distinct characteristics. First is side. It is a straight line that makes up the boundary of a shape. Vertex, the point where two sides of the shape come together. And third one is angle, the shape between the two sides that meet at a point. Then for identifying the figure, we ask three questions. First is, how many sides are there to this shape? Four sides, A, B, B, C, C, D, and AD. How many vertices to this shape? It has a four vertex, A, B, C, D. How many angles are there to this shape? It has a four angles. Then how do we know that the given shape is quadrilateral? If shape has four sides, four vertex, and four angles, then that shape is called as a quadrilateral. Next is, do we call square and rectangle as a quadrilateral? Yes, because square and rectangle has four sides, four angles, and four vertices. Since square is all sides equal, then it has four sides, A, B, B, C, C, D, and AD. It has four vertices, A, B, C, D, and it has a four angles also. Hence, square has four sides, four vertices, and four angles. It is called as a quadrilateral. Rectangle has opposite sides parallel to each other, having opposite sides equal, and it has four angles which are 90 degrees. Then it is called as a rectangle. It has four sides, four vertices, and four angles. Hence, rectangle is also called as a quadrilateral. Next figure has a five vertices, five angles, and five sides. Where side is the straight line that makes up boundary of a shape. Then next is a vertex, the point where two sides of a shape come together, and angle, the space between the two sides that meet at a point. To find out the figure, we ask three questions. How many sides are there to this shape? It has five sides, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, and E, A. How many vertices are there to this shape? It has five vertices, A, B, C, D, E. How many angles are there to this shape? It has five angles. Hence, this figure has five angles, five sides, and five vertices. It is called as a pentagon. How do we know that the given shape is pentagon? If shape has five sides, five vertices, and five angles, then the shape called as a pentagon. Now you understand that makes the shape a triangle, quadrilateral, or pentagon. Let us practice with a few fun questions to test what you have learned. There are 9 figures shown in the following table. You have to find out shape of the figure. First shape is having a three vertices, three angles, and three sides. It is called a triangle. Second shape has a five vertices, five angles, and five sides. Since it is called as a pentagon. Third figure is having a opposite side equals and four angles are 90 degree, and for opposite lines are parallel. It is called as a four vertices, four sides, and four angles. Hence it is called a quadrilateral or rectangle. Then fourth figure is having a pentagon because it has five sides, five angles, and five vertices. Since it is called a pentagon. Fifth figure is having all sides equal. Opposite sides are parallel to each other, and each angle is 90 degrees. Hence it is called, it has a four vertices, four angles, and four sides. Hence it is called a quadrilateral or square. Then next sixth figure is a four vertices, four angles, and four sides. Hence it is called a quadrilateral. Next seventh figure is rhombus or a quadrilateral because its opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. Next pentagon is a 5 sides having 5 angles and 5 vertices and 5 sides. Then quadrilateral or parallelogram, it has opposite sides parallel to each other. Opposite sides are equal, but angles are not 90 degrees. Then it is called the quadrilateral. Thank you very much.